Okay, good day, guys. You're welcome again to my channel, and it's your person Joshua the designer, and I'm here again to give you an amazing content on structural engineering. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, share with your friends that should get better with structural engineering. And today, join me as I show you how to go about a very simple thing on your product structure and what exactly it is. I want to show you how to edit your materials and your reinforcement settings in a very simple way, and go with me, and in a short while you become better with that. Yeah, so then I'll have you open either of your product 2018 or product 2021. So let me use product 2021 in this particular video, and together we go along to enjoy. Yeah, so sit back and as we go together on this tutorial. Okay, so on my channel you'll find several videos on product structure, and whatever it is that you're not getting straight, you can use the comment section, as I'll be there to give you all that you need to become better. Yes, so and I've made several videos on several foundation types. I've made videos on different kind of settings, detailing of reinforcement in slabs, and how to edit reinforcement in beams, and how to do so many things on product structure, on Orion, on Bmax, on whatever it is. Please do well to check it. So today, let's focus on this: how to edit building materials and reinforcement settings. Okay, so I want to open a particular project, and from there I'll show you how to edit your building materials and reinforcement settings. Okay, so this is one of these things that you would first need to visit and ensure that they are in order before you proceed with your designs, because the material settings that you apply would actually reflect on the output that you are going to come up with in your designs. Okay, so before you do any designs, you click on your analysis, then you click on building analysis. So by the time you click on building analysis, you see something like this pop up. Then from this, you see right here, you see edit materials. You click edit materials. So after you might have clicked edit materials, then you see a whole lot here. Then we want to take them one after the other. Now you see these concrete columns. This C25 is a concrete grade, right? So the concrete grade 25 here can be altered to whatever applies to your design at present. So someone else might be using a C16, C20 concrete grade and might want to apply it to his own design. So, and also you might use 28 to 35, 32 to 40, 35 to 45, C40 to 50, C50 to 60, C60 to 75. So whichever is it is, let's see. By the time you click something different from what you met there, you press OK, then you see C16, C20. So it changes automatically. So and there is a way you can apply that particular thing if you want to use a concrete grade, the same concrete grade for all your reinforced concrete elements. um you might want to apply it once and for all. So if I want to use, for example, I want to use C25, C30 for all of my concrete elements, so I'll apply to all members of this material class in the story. So by the time I click this and I press OK, everything changes. Everything that has to do with concrete changes to that particular grade. Yes, and that's correct. Okay, so that's on concrete. That's on the concrete grade. Now, on the reinforcement, the characteristic strength of steel now. So we have grade 410. Of course, we have grade 460. We have grade 500. We have grade 250, which is a plain steel, otherwise known as a mild steel. We have the SBPDN 930, 1080, SPDN 1080, 1230, SPDN 1275, 1420. So whatever it is that applies to your design at present. So you apply it. So if I want to do the same and I click grade 460, for example, I want to use 460 for my designs, so I can apply all to the members in the class of that story. So I press OK, then it automatically changes everything to 460. You see that that's accurate. So I can, for columns now, I want to select which reinforcement I would like to apply to my column element in its design. So I click rebut diameters. Now I see that I have, now you can see that we are having T6, T7, T8 and whatever. So and we understand that we have R and Y. Many of us are used to R for mild steel and Y for the other one. So we can actually change this, and I'll teach you how to change this in a separate tutorial. I'll teach you how to change from R to Y or from Y to R, right? Okay, so R I said for mild steel and Y for high yield bars, right? So I'll show you how to go about all of this. So with this now, I want to apply certain reinforcement of certain diameters. I want to only see Y. So before you can select safely, maybe you have a whole lot of selection here that you take your time to unselect. So you can select all, then unselect all, so it becomes empty. So I want to pick only 16 diameter and 20 diameter bar, and maybe 25 diameter bar. So just those three. So I press OK for my column. So for my walls, I want to only select 10 12 and I think I'm cool with that. So I press OK. So horizontal, I want to select only 10 and 12 then I'm cool with that. So for my concrete beams, I want to select 16 20 and 25 That's it. So for slabs, I would select Y12 and Y10. I think I'm cool with that. For rib, I want to select Y10 and Y12. I think I'm cool. So for links, reinforcement, shear reinforcement, I would select 10 and maybe 8 So, and I'm cool with that. So that's for the reinforced, the concrete element. So for the steel, in case you're working with steel members in your design, so of course we know that there are several concrete steel grades actually. So if you're working with S275, steel grade 275, you select that, then you apply to all members, just as I was showing you earlier. If you're working with some other kind of grade, maybe 235, you apply to the members and you press OK, then you see 235. So then that's how to go about your element. So having done all this, yes, you're back and you can go ahead with your analysis. So that's simply how to go about your edit materials and reinforcement settings. So thank you for coming around today. If you do not get anything clear, please use the comment section and I'll be there right for you to give you an answer. Like the video, subscribe to this channel and share with your colleagues that should get better with structural engineering. I am Joshua the designer. We'll see you later. Bye.